Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to start sending email reminders for product reviews after just 3 days in hosting a website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this manage store button to go straight to the store management area. Now to send email reminders for product reviews after just 3 days, it's simple. Go to settings, scroll down again, click on emails. And from this emails page, scroll down to the bottom and you will see product reviews. Below it, you will see by default, your website is sending product reviews after 7 days. Here, select 3 days from this list. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And now your online store will start sending email reminders for product reviews after just 3 days in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.